Welcome to 9263 Regents Road, Unit B209. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is located in the La Jolla area of San Diego. Upon entry, you can see this home has a beautiful open layout. Immediately to our left, we have your kitchen with stainless steel appliances, beautiful granite countertops, and white cabinets. This home has a beautiful bar area that looks out into your living space. Right off of your living room, you have a patio that looks out into the courtyard. This home is located on the 2nd level. We'll head back towards the entry where you see here you have this lovely bonus room that could be used as an office space or dining room. And as we go down the hall, we come to the first bathroom. Again, the beautiful granite countertops and white cabinetry. Full bath. And as we continue down the hall, we have your first bedroom, very large and open. Wall-length closet with built-ins and mirrored closet doors. This room is large enough to comfortably fit a king-size bed, possibly even a California king. Now we'll head back into the living room and go across where we have the second hallway. In this hallway, you have a stackable washer and dryer and your master bedroom. This bedroom is about the same size as the other bedroom. Nice and open, beautiful natural light, and can possibly fit a California king-size bed very comfortably. And as we go into the master, you see here you have a master private bath, same granite countertops, and white cabinetry. You have a full tub and a large walk-in closet with lots of built-ins.